Yes. Pull it hard. You can see my back. I wish you can see my back. You see my hand, the way my hand is moving? Wow. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, very good. Do what your body can take. Always do what your body can take. And always protect yourself. You see, I protect myself. Protect my back. I always have problem with this nail. I protect it. Always protect yourself when you are exercising. Especially when you know you got pain most. Always make sure you protect it. Yes. Just for our health, we don't want to hurt ourselves more. Okay? Beautiful, guys. Good one. Nice one. That's so good.